Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. So you just came back from your reading week, time to get back into it. So welcome to week 7 of PHOT 1064. So this week, we're kind of gonna take a step backwards and revisit some of the topics that we talked about in probably week 1 or week 2 in the first couple chapters that I had you read in the Ben Long book. We're gonna go back and talk about something regarding, well, 2 things really, perspective and this whole concept of a crop sensor. What is a crop sensor? What's the deal with angle of view? And what do we mean by a normal lens? And that's a term that we'll hear thrown around quite a bit, this whole idea of a normal lens. So that's what we're doing this week. Talking about perspective, talking about what it means to have a normal lens, and what do we mean by a cropped sensor camera. So there's about 4 or 5 videos from Ben Long that I want you to watch. There are some of his older videos, but the diagrams that he uses I think are pretty good. And so we're going to do those videos, and we also have a project that I want you guys to work on this week. Simple project, just go out and photograph a car. Doesn't have to be a fancy car. I've been doing this assignment for a few years, and I see students submitting images of antique cars and fire trucks, and it looks like they went through a lot of effort to get a really special car. Trust me, this is not where you want to spend a lot of time looking for cars. Just find a car in the parking lot or use a roommate's car, and that's just fine. Anyways, I've got another video where I'm going to show you all the photos that you need to take. And just like our previous assignment, it's not really, well, it is about the photos that you take, but it's also observing the photos and then being able to answer some questions based on the photographs. Anyways, that's what that assignment's all about. And also, one more thing I almost forgot. This week we will, I also have a video where I'm going to go through the midterm. So the midterm was about 2 weeks ago. So I'm just going to go over some of the questions from the midterm, just talking about, just hitting on any of the questions where about half the class maybe got the wrong answer. So if more than half the class got the answer right, I'm just going to leave those questions alone. But if about half got it wrong, then we are going to take it up, and we'll just sort of talk about the question and what the right answer is and why maybe some of you got it wrong. Anyways, lots to do this week. The assignment, the topics, the videos, and no quiz this week though. No readings and no quiz, which I figure doing the project is enough. All right. That's it for the intro, and let's get on to the rest of the content.